It's like best like what do you call hot dog in the world? Man, that was shit.
I don't know, man, but he said, do it now. Give it to me.
Give it to me right now. Do it now.
Hey, Juan, you gotta do it, man.
What are you doing right now?
Dude, what you said?
What was there to give it to right?
You said it at the beginning, you don't remember anymore.
No, I don't.
Dude, you
Where's
said
the spider?
You said that ass sounds delicious right now.
Give it to me.
What is it?
That sounds delicious
Give it to
right
me right now.
Here you go.
The ass sounds delicious. That ass sounds delicious.
Give it to me now.
Right now, in the face.
Viva Mexico.
Zetas,
Hey, if I shoot them straight into the sky, will they fall down and ride on me?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just like that.
Yeah. I don't think you want to try. They'll probably curve.
I think
Shut your mouth, Piper. My voice just changed.
I'm gonna hit you in the face.
Yeah. This is the last. This is the
Look,
last
Frank,
of it.
please.
I'm gonna keep this.
Oh shit, I think I just saw it flip.
Your dad's gonna be smoking it and be like, what the fuck?
What?
His dad's gonna be like,
You just
smoking
insulted
his weed and
me.
like fucking getting his dick sucked.
What?
Why would he do that?
His dad's coming outside?
Yeah.
Stupid. What are you talking about?
Bitch.
Are you serious?
Stupid.
Are you serious?
I know where my dad is.
Oh fuck, dude.
Okay, he's about to cap us. He's got to cap us, dude.
Dad's right there. He's looking. Don't move. Just chill. Just chill. No.
He's like, what the
Dude, he's like, what the fuck?
He's stupid.
He's fucking kidding, dude.
Shut up.
Dude, he's like in the face. Come down.
Why is he all Hulk Hogan?
In the face. Right here.